In the previous video, I introduced the chapter on variation where I explained the concept of variations and provided some examples of continuous and discontinuous variations. And I also talked about biometric and fingerprints and discussed their uses. Now, in this video, part 2, I will be going to talk about the definition of variations along with examples of continuous and discontinuous variations. I will also be solving some exercise questions and discussing them in an easy way. And now let's begin our video. Welcome to my science diaries. So, variation means all the differences seen in living things. For humans, it's why we don't look or act exactly the same. Variation can occur due to genetics and environment. Continuous variation is shown by the features that change gradually across a range, like height or weight. If you line up your classmates by the height, you will see every value in between forming a smooth bell-shaped curve on a graph. So now come on discontinuous variation. Discontinuous variation puts the people into specific clear category, no value in between. Blood group A, B, ABO, or the ability to roll your tongue are examples of discontinuous variation. On a chart, this type form the separate column, not a curve. Now we come to the question part. Ever wondered why no two people look exactly alike? It's all because of human variations. So look at the people in the photograph. List 5 visible features that vary from person to person. So let's look around. Skin color, hair color, eye color, height, and the freckles all vary from person to person. Second question is, suppose you could carry out some test on each person, describe 5 features you would expect to show variations. So with simple test you would find even more differences like blood group, tongue rolling, fingerprints, shoe size, and whether you are left-handed or right-handed. So our next question is, variations can be continuous or discontinuous. Explain what is the difference about these two type of variations. So there are two type of variation: continuous variations like your height, where people can be any value in the range, and the discontinuous variations like the blood group, which put you in a crystal clear separate category. Continuous variation, it shows a spectrum, and discontinuous is all or nothing. Next is, choose 3 visible human feature that show the continuous variations. So 3 visible features showing the continuous variations are height, hand span, and shoe size. So next question is, explain why detective often look for fingerprint at the scene of a crime. So detective, they love the fingerprints because everyone's are unique. That's a discontinuous feature which is perfect for the identification of a culprit and perfect for catching culprit. And next, if we plot height on a chart, we see a smooth curve. Most people are average with fewer at extremes. That's the continuous variation. A frequency chart of height gives a nice curve. Most people are average height, fewer are short or tall. Let's explore what a frequency chart shows when we look at a discontinuous variable like blood group. Picture a bar chart with separate column for each blood type A, B, AB, and O. Each bar tells us how many people have each blood group. There are no in between values. Everyone belongs to one clear category. This makes it easy to spot which blood group is the most or least common in a crowd. And now the next is, choose the best sort of biometric data that could be used to control access to a computer. Remember to explain your decision. So for computer security, fingerprint scanner are super reliable. They use your unique finger pattern as a digital key, which is unique and easy to scan. So this is how we can give answer to these questions. So now I have a question for you. Which feature do you see in your family and which feature makes you unique? Comment below. Want more quick science facts? Subscribe to my science diary. Thank you for watching.